Good morning, fifth graders. It is Wednesday, November 4th, and we have some pretty specific directions for today. It is a flex day, but you are all still expected to be online today. So please make sure, hopefully you're all watching this video, but if you're not, I will put some updates or some directions in the updates in your Schoology page as well. So again, the number one key is to make sure you get onto Schoology today. First and foremost, we have a 10 o'clock Zoom. I will send that link out in about a half an hour. Please make sure you try to attend. My goal for this Zoom meeting, guys, is to walk you through the fractions test. It is a relatively short test, so it shouldn't be something that takes you an extremely long period of time to do. You will have 3 attempts to take it, but that doesn't mean to rush through the first couple of attempts and then get freaked out about taking the last one. Take your time, make sure you're answering those questions thoroughly. But I plan on going through each individual question during the Zoom today at 10 o'clock. So please, if you are nervous about the test, if you're not sure how comfortable you're going to be taking that test, we can still retake that test on Thursday and Friday. So don't feel like this is the last day of the quarter, because it's not. We will have Thursday and Friday to retake it if we need to. But if you are worried about the test, please make sure that you are checking in with me at that 10 o'clock Zoom. And I'm going to go through those questions kind of one at a time and talk about how we might solve them or what we're looking for. Okay. There's another little review assignment in there, also dealing with fractions. So please make sure that you do that as well. That I do that before I take the test. That is just a regular everyday assignment, but that is something that we are trying to get you to review before you take the test. Then in science, and in fact, I would probably start with this first. In science today, I would take time to do that, or watch the video, the Bill Nye video, do the exit ticket on muscles and bones. Fairly straightforward, should be pretty easy. Should be reviewed from the stuff we covered in the last 2 folders. But I would do that before the Zoom meeting, do that this morning, get that accomplished. And then I would wait probably until after the Zoom meeting today, guys, to do that math test. If somebody gets in there and does it early, I can't stop you from doing that. But like I said, use the tools that the teacher provides to you. And if I'm going to walk through those questions, you're going to want to see probably what I have to say before you take that test. Just like the last rotation, guys, that Zoom meeting is not mandatory. I'm not going to hold you accountable for being there in that sense, but I am going to award a team point to the group that gets the most participants there from their team. So there is a team point on the line for getting there and accomplishing, showing up for that. So please help your team out, help yourself out, be prepared for that test a little bit later this morning, and make sure you're getting in there for that. Just one more reminder, guys, the end of the quarter is this Friday. So as we move forward here, we're going to want to clean up any retake opportunities, anything that says a summative assessment, and it should say test, those kinds of things, or quiz on it. If you go into your grade book, it's going to be the thing at the very bottom. The top parts are our daily assignments. The bottom parts are our tests and quizzes. So look to the bottom, see what you scored on it. If it's below a 70%, please redo it. Okay, I'm asking, I'm almost begging at this point to redo and retake those tests. Ask questions if you have them. Okay, I'll be available and open the rest of the morning for sure, and after lunch as well, guys, to help with questions on the test or to help with things. So don't hesitate to ask. I will be here. I'll be at school, ready to ask those questions. But just make sure that you are advocating for yourself. I'm not going to reach out to every individual and say, "Hey, how's it going? How's your test going?" That's something I need to hear from you. You caring about your grade, you believing that you need help in that scenario. All right. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing everybody at 10 o'clock. I'll send that link out in about a half an hour. I'll send it and put it in about 3 or 4 different places. So look for that link and it should work. Have a good day, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.